Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best wax rings is probably one of the most overlooked, yet critically important components of a properly functioning toilet. A faulty wax ring can lead to messy, costly leaks and frustrating repairs, but with the right knowledge and a bit of care, choosing and installing the perfect wax ring is easier than you might think. This video will guide you through everything you need to know to select the best wax ring for your toilet, ensuring a leak-free and worry-free experience for years to come. Number 5. Fluidmaster 7530 Seal. Say goodbye to messy wax rings. This innovative toilet seal provides a clean and easy installation experience. It's designed to fit virtually any toilet and drain configuration, saving you time and hassle. This seal ensures a leak-proof connection, even on uneven floors or those with recessed flanges. No more worries about leaks. Installation is a breeze. It's easy to install, reposition, and requires no special temperature conditions. It's built to last, providing a long-lasting, dependable seal that prevents leaks and keeps your bathroom dry. Upgrade your toilet installation with this superior wax-free seal. Experience the difference. What we like. It's a wax-free solution, so no more messy wax. This gasket fits virtually any drain, making installation a breeze. If you're looking for a clean, simple, and universally compatible toilet seal, this is the one for you. What people say. I've replaced many toilet bowls over the years and always used a wax ring when setting the bowl. After reading reviews on this new type, I decided to try it. I liked the fact there was no wax to get deformed when lowering bowl onto bolts. The install was a one-shot deal with zero leaks. Great design and functionality. So much better than wax, very easy installation. Looks great. Seals perfectly. Functional, reusable, durability is amazing. If I never have to deal with another wax toilet ring again, would be very happy. And that looks totally achievable using this gasket and its accompanying hardware. I was able to install and remove a toilet several times over the course of my renovation, and a perfect seal was the result each time. The instructions were surprisingly good. This gasket and accompanying spacer ring allow the product to adapt to a variety of floor thicknesses. The included nuts and bolts were of great quality. Number 4. Danco 10879 Toilet Seal. Introducing the Danco 10879 Toilet Seal Kit. It's designed for a clean, easy installation, eliminating the hassle of traditional wax rings. This innovative kit boasts a hidden wax ring that creates a superior, leak-proof seal, 3 times stronger than standard wax rings. Need to adjust your toilet's position? It allows for multiple repositionings during installation, giving you the perfect fit. With adjustable bolts, you won't need to cut or modify anything. It's designed for simple, hand-tightening adjustments up to 3 inches. It works with most toilets and floor flange heights, ensuring a perfect fit for your specific needs. It's compatible with flanges 1-2 inch above or 1-2 inches below the floor. If your toilet isn't sitting flush, simply remove the black plastic ring inside the gray rubber casing to fully compress it for a perfect seal. What we like. Say goodbye to messy wax rings. It allows for multiple repositioning attempts during installation, and there's no cutting required. If you value a clean installation process and the ability to adjust the toilet's position easily, this is your best bet. What people say. The wax ring is incorporated into it and the hardware included accommodated my recessed flange. I used the extensions for the bolts and the thicker ring to flange setup. The fit was perfect. The directions are so well written, if you can read pictures you can do this. Everything I needed was there, and the instructions were clear. I used only the mounting hardware from this kit, but having set a toilet or two, I can say it was the easiest install ever. Quick and easy. Number 3. Fluidmaster 7513 Gasket. Are you tired of those annoying toilet leaks? This extra thick wax gasket provides superior protection, sealing your toilet to the floor and preventing future leaks. It couldn't be easier to install. It's designed for a smooth installation, even if your toilet flange is below the floor. This versatile gasket is compatible with both 3-inch and 4-inch waistlines, making it suitable for most toilets. With 40% more wax than standard seals, it provides a long-lasting, reliable seal against leaks. It's the ultimate solution for a leak-free toilet. You'll also receive a polyethylene flange to complete your repair. Everything you need for a perfect seal is right here. Don't let leaks ruin your day. Upgrade to this superior wax gasket and enjoy peace of mind knowing your toilet is properly sealed. What we like. This wax ring provides extra thick protection against leaks. It's easy to install, even on uneven floors, and fits various waist lines. If preventing leaks is your top priority, and you want a reliable, easy-to-install solution, choose this one. What people say. Unlike others, this is as thick as described. Was worried if it would be damaged during shipping but received undamaged. Would buy this again for another toilet installation. The think flange that came with the toilet did not make a good seal. This one was a much better fit, created a perfect seal. The built-in flange was also a great idea. Had to put a riser under my toilet and use this to replace the old seal. It worked great and fit easily in the pipe to hold the wax in place while seating the riser down. Number 2. Wax Ring Kit. Is your toilet leaking or emitting a foul odor? It might be time to replace the wax ring. This is a common problem with an easy fix. This kit contains everything you need for a professional-looking repair. It's designed for easy DIY installation. It features a reinforced urethane core and polyethylene flange for superior strength and a long-lasting seal. It's built to last. This versatile wax ring fits both 3 and 4-inch waistlines, ensuring compatibility with most toilets. It creates a watertight seal. Simply follow the instructions for a quick and easy installation. It's ready to use at 70 degrees Fahrenheit and won't harden or deteriorate. We stand behind the quality of our product. If you have any issues, please contact us. We're here to help. What we like. This kit includes everything you need for a complete and secure installation. Its extra thick design ensures a superior seal, preventing leaks and odors. If you want a comprehensive solution that addresses leaks and unpleasant smells, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The seal was strong, providing a watertight and odor-free solution. The ring wax is thick and perfectly fit to base of the bowl. I wish I knew extra thick toilet wax rings existed years ago. Worked perfectly. Number 1. Primeline MP56533. This is the Primeline MP56533 anchor flange, perfect for fixing damaged floor flanges. It's made with a durable die-cast construction and zinc-plated finish for long-lasting performance. It features a wax construction, ensuring a secure and reliable fit. Installation is quick and easy, saving you time and effort. This product is designed for easy installation. Everything you need is included in the package. All necessary installation fasteners are included, so you have everything you need for a complete repair. No need for extra trips to the hardware store. This is a single pack, ideal for one repair job. It's a cost-effective solution for fixing damaged floor flanges. Say goodbye to wobbly toilets and leaky floors. It's the simple, effective solution to your floor flange problems. What we like. It's designed to easily repair a damaged floor flange. It's made of wax for a reliable seal and is simple to install. If you need a quick and easy fix for a damaged flange, this is the product for you. What people say. Fits great. Easy install, big bonus for extra bolts. Seems like time has stood still that we continue to use wax, but we do because it is simply the best material for this application. Great wax rings and fairly priced. I especially like the Johnny bolts it brings with a ring that secures them from moving. This makes your toilet installations a walk in the park. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.